World-class owners and engineers searching for the ultimate fan system and reliability for their company's cooling towers look to Baltimore Air Coil Company, the global leader for innovative evaporative heat rejection solutions. ENDURADRIVE Fan System provides unmatched peace of mind. This low-maintenance direct-drive fan system offers the lowest total cost of ownership. Providing maximum reliability is the foundation, and the ENDURADRIVE fan system builds on this foundation in 3 key ways. First, the system is simple. Fewer moving parts means better reliability. Proven dependability with over 3 million run hours for critical applications. It operates incident-free year after year. Next, the permanent magnet motor's laminate frame and upgraded insulation are designed to withstand the most severe operating temperatures. What's more, its double O-ring seal and integrated condensate management system keep critical components sealed and dry, leading to long-term, worry-free performance. Every component of BAC's fan system is designed and engineered to work together flawlessly. The ENDURADRIVE fan system is rated to stand up to the most challenging operating conditions, including thermal testing that meets CTI thermal performance standards, and shake table vibration testing that complies with the International Building Code and other stringent local codes. The ENDURADRIVE fan system is available on a wide range of products, offering the highest level of reliability and absolute peace of mind from Baltimore Air Coil Company. Reinventing cooling to sustain the world. To learn more, contact your local BAC sales representative or visit us at baltimoreaircoil.com/ENDURADRIVE.